Okay, so let's check the sound. Okay, it seems that the connection is not at the best. Let's see what we can do. Okay, let's see, and we'll try to do something, and we'll see if it's better now. Okay. So, hello everyone. So there are some people in the chat, so welcome here. So today it is just a little stream to test my setup and just to have a little chit chat about cloud topics. Maybe we can continue what we started last week on the S3 AWS S3 game. We'll see. Maybe have a look at some AWS articles about some news. We'll see. I know the connection is not the best, so tell me if it's okay or if we should change something. Just let me know if the sound is too loud, if my voice is not audible. Let me know. So, let's put something here. Yes. Okay, so last week we checked something called the S3 game, and I forgot. I was doing one level. I think it was level 3 or something like that, and I had to stop the stream. So maybe we can continue this. Just let me find the link. And so I posted on Twitter this morning the links to the game. So if you want to follow or if you want to play the game, to learn more about how to use the S3 through the AWS CLI, you can find the link on my Twitter. So let me show you. You go on my profile, FlowlightC, and here is a tweet. So there are two games. The rules are not the same exactly. Last time I think we started the Galaxy one, where the goal is just to go from level to level by finding a secret password at each level. And I think on the other one, which Pirates, you have to find some treasures, but I didn't try it, so we'll see that later. But for now, we can try to continue this one. Okay, so yes. This was level 1. Should I find a level 3 like that? I'm not sure. No. So maybe we have to do again level 1 because I didn't kept let me check if I kept the URL. Pirate history game. I don't think so. But okay, never mind. We'll do it. So let me open a terminal. Maybe I still have the command in my terminal because I didn't use my terminal for a while. So let's see. Tell me if it's big enough for you to see, or I can increase the size. Yes, I have the URL. Here it is. I remember well. So when you have this kind of bucket, you can just put the name of the bucket here, and it will bring you to the website, to the hosted website, like that. Oh no, not working. What did I change? I'm pretty sure this worked. Okay, let's see. Yeah, this is the 3, but why not? Ah, yes, I know why. This is level 1. Let's put level 3 now. Maybe nothing at all. don't remember. Maybe just index. Let's try that. No. Okay, never mind. We'll try it again from the beginning. Okay, so this is level 1. Check the URL, website endpoint, blah 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 blah. Okay, so here we just need to find, if I remember well, the secrets. So we are going to take here the name of the bucket, go to item, and we are going to do an AWS S3 LS S3 and the name of the S3. Just like that, it should work. Normally, yes, you see we have this secret one. So in order to read it, we can do AWS S3 CP S3 2 point like that. The name of the bucket. Slash the name of the file of the blob, secret one, dash, just like that it should work. We should see the secrets. Yeah, here we are. So this is level 2. Okay, so this is level 2. Okay, so let me take that back. Level 2, okay. I think this is pretty much the same thing. Yeah, because here you cannot list the buckets. Let me show you. So we'll take only this part of the URL, which is the bucket name with the S, and then go to item, and we try the same command like the ls one command, or the ls again. Not here anymore. What happened? Okay, never mind. Let me AWS S3 LS. Like that. You will see we have no right to do that. It will be a deny. Yeah, access deny. So in order to counter this, what we're going to do is just SCP, because we don't have right to list the object, but I'm pretty sure that we will have right to display the secret to object, because I guess this is a name. So we try like that. We wait. we wait, and here it is. Okay, great. So we are on level 3 again. That's cool, that's cool. I forgot to do something, which is posting on Twitter about my stream. And maybe, okay, let's put this level 3 here. And I'll just make a Stream Deck button. Oh, that's not working. Why? Oh yes, because I put both. Yeah, level 3, great. So just give me a second. I will just open my Stream Deck app, and I'm going to go into Twitch here. No, not Twitch. Twitter. I wanted just to, yeah, to be able to write a tweet. Hey, I'm live on Twitch, blah blah blah, with just a button. So let's do like that. I'll just add my Twitter account. So my name is FlowlightC. password. I won't show it to you. Sorry for that. Okay, so it's connecting right now. It's connecting, taking some time. You see? And it didn't work. Okay. Let's try again. Oh man, I didn't copy paste my password. Okay, let's try. Okay, I need my MFA, my multi-factor authenticator, Twitter, here it is. Okay, I authorize Stream Deck to publish. And now I have my account here. Great. Okay, so now what I can do is just put a text. Okay, every 12 hours I can do that. Okay, perfect. So I will just take the tweets I wrote a few days ago to say that I was streaming. Hey, what's happening, tweet? Okay. Hello. Yeah. Okay, so this was about serverless. Very interesting. Yeah, something like that. No? Yeah. Come on. Okay, let's put this, well, in the Stream Deck dashboard. So it will be, hey, I'm doing some streaming test live. No, I'm starting a streaming session. To discuss some cloud topics. Feel free to join the discussion here, and let's put URL of the Twitch. What will be? Where it is. twitch.tv/blowlightc, like that. Okay, perfect. And let's put cloud stream. so I can remember what I'm talking about. Let's put it a little smaller so I can read. Yes, perfect. Nice. Oh yeah, here it's perfect. Blah blah blah, twitch.tv, blah blah blah. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's try now. Let's see what's going to do. So I pushed the button. We'll see if something happened. Okay, I had a green tick. Let's see if it works. And it worked. Great, I'm starting a streaming session to discuss some cloud topics. Feel free to join the discussion here. Perfect. Great, I like it. So that's done. Perfect. Okay, let's go for some... Let's continue what we were doing about the S3 game. So hello to the new people in the chat. Feel free to use the chat to ask questions, just say hi or whatever you want. What we are doing today is a little game about S3, where the goal is to access some files, some secret file into an S3, and the goal is to better understand the AWS CLI and the way to use it with S3. So that's the idea. Between that, if you have any question, feel free to ask in the chat. I'll be very happy to answer. Okay, so... So now, currently we're at level 3. So we already passed level 2 and level 1. And here is level 3. So for this this level, let me show you what we will have. If I try the same thing as before, but with level 3 URL, so URL will be this one. This is not the URL, sorry, this is the name of the bucket. So if I try to access the secret3 file here, I'm pretty sure that it will not work. Okay, let's try. Okay, secret2, it won't work for sure. Yeah, secret3. Okay, you see here what we have. It will not be available because it's protected. And so what we need to do is to create a profile to use these credentials to be able to access the file. So in order to create these credentials, what we can do is AWS configure -- profile like that, and we create a profile name. So it will be, for example, S3 game, S3 game, and the name is Galaxy, I think. Yeah. Okay, so S3 game Galaxy. I hit enter and it will ask me for AWS access key ID. So the access key ID will be this one. So I will just copy paste like that. And the secret access key will be this one. I will copy and paste like that. And default region, I think we are going to use US East 2. It's in the URL. You see here at the top, US East 2. So let's put this. I want, yes, default output format is just like how you want the output to be displayed. It will be JSON by default, I guess, if I remember well. So now if I try to hit the same command again, you will see that it won't work because I need to specify the profile first. So let's specify the profile here, like profile S3 game Galaxy. And it's not working. Why? Okay. Let me try a simple ls, because maybe it's just a small issue. Maybe the name is not secret3. So let's try an s3ls, a simple s3ls like that. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so we have this, and now what we can do... I don't know why this is not working. It should work. Or maybe it's more complex than that. Oh yeah, that's right. Maybe it's more complex than that. So let's have a look. Secret3. Okay, so let's check the other file. Like instead of secret3, let's see what's in secret3 credentials. But I guess this is the message we had before. Right? Oh no. Okay. Okay. So this is it. We have it. So it was not secret3 because in secret3 it's just the secret key ID and secret key. So here we are. Level 4. Great. I'll copy that. Let's go to level 4. Okay. Okay, S3 access points, simplify managing access to datasets shared across multiple applications or teams. Access points are named endpoints that are attached to a bucket. You can use them to perform S3 gets and put exec operations. Access this bucket via black star access point. The account number is blah 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 blah. Okay, interesting. So I guess if I try to access this, okay. Hello, new people in the chat. I hope you are going well. So, just a reminder of what we are doing here. I'm checking and testing a small game about AWS S3, and the idea here is to understand better how to use the AWS CLI to access the S3 capabilities. So until now we had a look at some basic stuff like S3LS, S3CP to get some files. We had a look at the permission that can apply to the bucket or to some specific files within the bucket. And also some permission, some IAM policies where we needed to use an AWS access key ID and AWS secret key. So we had to create a profile for the CLI, and like that we were able to access the secret file. So right now we are on the level 4. And here we are going to need to use the endpoint access, the S3 access endpoints. Sorry. So I'm just checking some documentation about that, and we'll continue. So in the meantime, feel free to ask questions, just say hi in the chat or whatever. So welcome here. Anyway. So let's have a look at the doc, the documentation. Please bring my mouse back. Yes, okay. So S3 access endpoints. Let's have a look at the documentation. Okay, so you can access Amazon S3 from your VPC using gateway VPC endpoint. After you carry the gateway endpoint, you can add it as a target, blah blah blah. Hmm. I'm just checking what is the pattern for endpoint. S3 access point. Access points. But yeah, not that. Yeah, this is it. No, this is not. Please give me the duck. Yes, this will be the duck. Okay, creating using access endpoint. Let's have a look. Using a bucket style, yeah, alias for using access endpoint. That's what we want to do. Use the access endpoint. Give us what's the format of the access endpoint. Like AWS S3 get object key, my image bucket. Yes. Okay, we could use this. We are going to use this. So what we want to do is record an object. This is what we want to do. So let's take this, let's copy it and paste it here in iTunes. Let me clear this a bit. Okay. Paste here. And we are going to take the name of the bucket, of the access endpoint, sorry. Okay. Name of the access endpoint is at the end. So here it is. Access endpoint is black star, and the account number is like that. So let's put the account number here, like that. Okay, I want to get secret 4. Secret 4 on this bucket. I don't want this. And just let me check something. Okay. And I will download it like that. But what if I put something like that before? Would it work? I don't know. Let's try. Invalid bucket name, blah blah blah, mismatch gaps. Maybe I need to put a slash at the end like that. Or maybe I missed something. US West 2. It's US East 2, man. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, let's see. I think I missed something here. Invalid bucket name. What did I miss? ARN, AWS S3, USDC2. The name of the account. Okay. The name of the access point and do I need something else? I don't know. It's saying valid bucket name, ARN, blah blah blah. Bucket name must match the regex. Be an ARN may exchange the regex. Blah 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 blah. Okay. No, it's like that. What did I do? Oh, maybe it's just this at the end. So let me try something. Let's see the AWS stream. What do we have here? Okay. Okay, I have nothing here. So what do I do? I'll try this. What is the name? Secret. No, with a slash, not backslash. Yeah, that's better. Still not right. Invalid bucket name. What did I do? What's bad? Okay, let's have a look at the hint. Yes. Please give me another hint. Okay, we have the full access. Okay, so condition string like blah blah blah. Ah, sorry, it's access point slash blackstar. Okay, that's the issue. Would be better. Let's see. No, still not right. Why? AWS 3 US is 2 x6666 the name of the account. Bucket name is not matching the regex. Why? What did we do? Access point slash blackstar. And then no slash here. Got an access denied, so that's better. I think we got the right command, but maybe we need to use the profile we had before. Yeah, probably. So let's do like that. Let's try this. Dash profile. And then we'll use the profile like S3 game. What was the name? Galaxy. Yeah. Galaxy. Okay, let's see what we got here. The specified key does not exist. Okay, so that means the name of the file is not secret4. Name of the file is not secret4. What if I don't put any key? Or maybe it's just secret. Okay, let's see if we can list parts. Delete object, get bucket, blah blah blah. Get object. List objects. Let's try the list objects instead of get objects. So just list. We are going to remove the key. Oh wow. Okay, list objects. Control Z is not working on iTerm. I repeat, Control Z is not working on iTerm. Okay, what's going on? Yes, I know what's going on. This should not be there. Come on. Hey, here we are. So, okay, we have the hint 1, hint 2, hint 3, hint 4. Great. And we have the secret 4 access point. So this is the key we need. Okay, so we take the key. We end this. Yes, please end. And we retry the get object with the right name, and it will be better, I'm sure. Like that. Perfect. Let's try it. Oh, I forgot the dash at the end. Maybe it will work, I don't know. Let's see. Hey, thanks Krish. Hello and thanks for the follow. Welcome here. How are you today? Really happy to see you there. If you're just arriving here, what we are doing is a small game about AWS. I don't know if you're familiar with the Amazon Web Services cloud platform, but here we are trying to understand better how we can get some files from the AWS storage, blob storage, and to understand this better, we are using this S3 Galaxy game, which is like a game where you need to find secret files into some public S3 buckets, and you have to use the AWS command line to do it. And so right now we are on level 4, and as you can see on the screen, we just found the fourth file, and for this one we needed to use the S3 access point. So some interesting concept that you can explore thanks to the game. So in the meantime, feel free to ask any question. I don't know how familiar you are with the cloud, but let me know. I'll be happy to answer any question if I can. Okay, so what did I do again? Key, bucket, blah blah blah. Yes, I wanted just to put the file on the disk, just to have a look at the file. So it will be called secret 4 access point. Yeah, like that. So okay, let's modify content length. Okay, so here we have some information about the file, and what we need is the content of the file. Now, so let's see how we can get this. So do we have the file here? Yes. So if I do like that, okay, I got it. So what we saw before was the result of the command, of this command, which gives you some information about the file and some metadata if you have some metadata. And if you have a look at what's in the file, we have our secret here. And we are going to use this secret to go to level 5. I'm pretty good, the Chris, thank you. I'm sorry there is a big delay between your message and my answer, but my connection is not so good and OBS is trying to catch up with every dropped frame, so but I'm very good, thank you. So should we have a look at the level 5 now? Let's go. Let's go, I will just copy paste this, not to have it for later, and let's go for level 5. Okay, so let's go. Do you have any idea on how job platforms work? I mean the backend code. What do you mean by job platforms? Are you talking about like LinkedIn or something like that? Or are you talking about some batch which are jobs also? Hey Francesco, how are you? So we are playing a little game about AWS today, Francesco. It's a little game which part of the AWS workshops to learn about some new things, and this is an interesting game where you have to find some secret file into some S3 buckets, and you have to use the AWS command line to find these files. And I think that's a great way to learn about AWS by just playing a game. I like it. Thank you for the good luck, Francesco. Thank you a lot. That means a lot to me. So today it's only sound because my connection is not perfect, and if I put my camera, everything is dropping. But I hope to have a better connection soon, so I will add the camera also to be able to say hi and to show my face a bit. That will be more interesting maybe. Yeah. So let's keep going and let's have a look at the level 5 maybe. So here we are. Amazon S3 has a flat structure. Unlike file systems, S3 doesn't have a nested folder hierarchy. Yes, this is very interesting because that's something that some people are not understanding very well on the first time. Because I know that when you take some certifications and you are having some courses, etc. When you're talking about S3, it's like, oh yes, it's just like a classic folder system, and so you have you create an S3 bucket, which is like a root folder, and then you put your files in it, but you can also create subfolders and etc. That's a great way to understand the concept of S3 service, but that's not how it's done in the backend. In the backend, what you are doing when you're creating an S3 bucket is indeed creating an S3 bucket, but when you create subfolders, it will not exactly be a subfolder, but it's just a prefix that you put in front of your files. So for example, if you have if we take maybe one folder that we used before, just let me find an S3LS we had before, like this one. Let's have a look. Okay, so here you see that we are on this S3 Game Galaxy level 3 blah blah S3. So that's the name of the bucket, that's the bucket. Then you have here the secret 3, but the real name of the secret 3 file in fact is S3 Game Galaxy level 3 blah 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 / secret 3. So this is the entire key. And that's why we are using the whole things when you are trying to copy the file. And if we put a subfolder, like for example, I can take this, and I could have something like this is a S3 bucket. I put secret files folder, which is not a folder, and I have my secret 4 here .txt, for example. This is just one file. There is no folder in this. This secret file / is part of the file name, in fact. Okay, so that's interesting. It was interesting at some point because you could have better performances by using some specific name here, some specific prefix when you had a lot of files. But from what I remember, it's not the case anymore. So let's have a look at the level 4 and see what they can explain on this. But that's the idea. S3 buckets is not a folder structure; it's a key file structure. So you have a file. Each file has a key, and this key is composed of an S3 bucket and some prefix and the name of the bucket, or the name of the file. Honestly, the Krish, I don't know. I guess there are some kind of APIs to get the jobs from certain platforms and to republish it on others, but I really don't know. Are you interested in this, and are you working on this kind of topics? I don't know. Just let me know. I'll be curious to know if you know on your side. Okay, so let's have a look in the meantime. You still can simulate kind of hierarchy to control access to different objects. Objects can have names that begin with a common string name prefix. Okay, that's the thing I was talking about before. You see? Configuring AM or bucket policy, you can use the conditions to provide access to objects with specific prefixes in the bucket. For example, here we have an example of an IAM policy where we say, okay, we allow to list the bucket for the bucket S3 Game Galaxy level 5, and the condition is that we should have the S3 prefix equal to crew dragon /. Okay, that's interesting. That means that we have S3 Game Galaxy level 5 bucket. Okay, let me try. I think it's acknowledgement to do a schema. What? Acknowledgement, something like that. No? Yes. Oh, it was here. This is the one. Sorry, this is the Git. Yes. So I can draw you a sketch of what I'm saying. Next time I will try to connect the iPad also to be able to sketch better. So here we have the bucket name, which is level 5 whatever. Yes, S3 Game Galaxy level 5 like this. This is a bucket, and after that we are saying that we are going to allow to list bucket, but only when the prefix is equal to crew dragon or crew dragon /. So we will have this part of the name that will be crew dragon or crew dragon /. Okay, so that means that everything which is under here will be okay to be listed. If I have something like not crew dragon, I don't know what, but maybe not crew dragon or not crew dragon / or whatever. It can be whatever. Let's say it will be whatever. And what you can do here is you will be able to list the file here. You will be able to list the file here, and you won't be able to list the latest one. Like this one won't be listed, and this one won't be listed either. But this one will be okay, this one will be okay, this one will be okay, and this one will be okay. So that's very interesting because that's a way to put in place the same kind of write policy that you have in a Windows-based folder system, let's say, or Linux even. Okay. The Amazon S3 console uses prefixes to show a folder concept. Yes, that's what I was talking about. So the level is simple, no more hints needed. Get the secret coordinate and go to the blah blah blah, the secret. Okay, so let's get the secret coordinate. Let's take the name of the buckets for level 5. And let's have a look at iTerm. Okay. Sorry. I think you might find some article on these topics, the Krish. Did you try to search on, I don't know, on Medium or And maybe sometimes you have websites for these technical teams of big companies like that, and they sometimes explains how thing works. So I might have a look later and see if I can find something. So you can, if you want, you can add me on Twitter, and you can send me a private message. I can try to help you. So I'll send you my Twitter handler. It will basically be the same as on Twitch. It's FlowlightC. Okay, so we were trying to find the... Why don't I have the history on this? I don't know. Okay, here it is. So what I will do is just an S3 ls. Okay, let's move AWS S3 ls. And you will see we will try what I said before. S3 ls, the name. So this will be allowed or not. Let's see. What do you think? Okay, access denied. Yes, indeed, because I didn't put any prefix. So now if I try with /crew dragon, this will be possible, I guess. Access denied. Oh, I should use the profile for sure. Profile S3 game Galaxy. Okay, let's put something like that. Yes, okay, so yes, you need to put a slash because, but it was working. You see, we were able to see that there were a file called Crew Dragon. Let me do the first call again with the profile. So what I tried is, yeah, because it was not really a true test. Like that is a true test. Let's see what we got. Yeah, you see here it was access denied, even if we had the profile, because the S3 policy is saying if we don't have this prefix or this kind of prefix, then you will have an access denied. We allow only if we try to list a bucket within this specific bucket and with this prefix. If any of these conditions is not right, then you will get an access denied. Okay, so this is a principle of IAM policies. So here we are, we have the GL level 5 HTML, this is a website, and the secret with prefix. So we'll have a look at this. And let's try AWS S3 CP S3 like that. The name of the bucket. Sorry, I forgot the name of the bucket. And that's a shame that on macOS we don't have you know, you cannot copy paste multiple things. You can only do one. And that's a shame. That's it. That's my point. Okay, never mind. Let's see what we got. Oh, I should use the profile. Profile S3 game. Galaxy. Let's try that. Download file. Ah, yes, because I forgot the prefix, you see? Dragon Crew. No, Crew Dragon, sorry. Crew Dragon. Sorry for that, Ellen. Okay, great. So we are on level 6 now. Great. That's nice. So how are you in the chat in the meantime? Tell me a bit. If it's still okay, if you have some questions, if you just want to say hi, if you just want to say something else, I don't know. I'm gonna grab some water, and so let me know what you think. Okay, I'm back. I'm back. So there is a big delay, so I don't see your answers in the chat yet, but if you answers, don't be worried, I will answer when I will see them. No issue. I'll try to be better on the network side next time. I'm sorry. Okay, so let's have a look at level 6 now. Level 6, here we are. Level 6, let's go. Okay, replication enables automatic asynchronous copying of objects across S3 buckets. Cross-region replication, CRR, is used to copy objects across buckets in different AWS regions. Same region replications copies objects between buckets in the same region. Okay, so here we're going to talk about probably permission for replication. Let's see. There is a note, both source and destination buckets must have versioning enabled. Okay, fine. So here we have a name policy saying I want to allow to get replication configuration if I'm on this bucket. S3 game Galaxy level 6 SRC. So maybe we can have a look at the get replication configuration, and this way maybe we can access the secret file. So let's have a look. Let me take the name of the bucket and let's have a first look on iTerm, what we can do with it. AWS S3 ls S3 slash blah blah blah. Let's add the profile, not to have any issue. S3 game Galaxy. Okay. The specified bucket does not exist. Okay. Why not? Why not? Why not? And maybe it was replicated to another bucket and then was deleted or something like that. So let's have a look at the get replication configuration. Let's have a look at the documentation. Do we have this? No, it's not the right thing. We'll just have a look at this and we'll see. Okay. Get replication configuration. Let's see. Okay. Okay, we have a lot of things here. Maybe I should put S3 before. Like S3, like that. Get bucket replication, yeah. This is the one I need, and I should have to the CLI one, but okay, we have the prefix tags. Okay, and the destination of the bucket. So that's interesting. We are going to try this. Let's see with the CLI how we can do this. That would be very interesting to also do the same game again, but with the SDK. We'll see. Maybe in the future we can do that. Okay, so get bucket replication. Let's have an example. So yes, AWS, the bucket, my bucket. Okay, perfect. Let's take this. I like this. Let's go to iTerm. I will put that like this. Just take the bucket name like that and replace my bucket with my bucket actually. Let's see what we get. Hey. Do you know what I forgot? The profile. Oh no, the specified bucket does not exist. Is the region the same? Maybe not. US is 2. S3K Galaxy Lab. Did I put the right name? I don't know. It should be like that, I guess. No match is fine. What? Ah, sorry. Oh, sorry. This is the name of the bucket I want. I'm so bad, sorry. Okay, let's do that again. Probably need to have lunch at some point because I feel like my skills are dropping. Let's see. Okay, access denied because I didn't put the profile again. Profile S3 game Galaxy. Let's see. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so we have replication role, ID priority, filter, prefix, secret. Enable to DS buckets, which is not the same, you see. VEA for this one and VEB for this one. So I guess the S3 bucket got replicated at some point. So now we can try to access it. So if I do an AWS S3 ls of S3 / blah blah blah, and I'll put the profile just in case. I'm pretty sure we need the profile. Game Galaxy. Let's see what we got. Hey, we just found something interesting. So now what we got, we have this. So we'll just cp this file like secret 6 underscore replication. With the profile I will put dash not to download it. The dash is just to display it in the standard output and not to download the file. But you could put any file name you want and it will appear in your disk. So here we are. We have the level 7. Great. I like it. Oh, sorry. Okay. I'll just take the URL. Okay. And let's go for level 7. And after I'm going to have lunch, I think. Because I'm kind of hungry right now. Okay. Good. Seems good to me. Yeah. Let's see. Managing identity-based and resource-based policies. You should always remember about EPOC. It stands for Effect, Principle, Action, Resource, and Condition. These are essential policy elements. Some other elements are optional. You can use them to identify or document information about specific policy statements. Hint 1. Use getBucket policy command to check your bucket policy. Never keep your policy open to users without a real reason for that. Yes, I agree. I agree with that. Cannot agree more. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look at that. Let's use it. Where is item? Item. Get bucket policy. Okay, so AWS. I guess we are going to use the S3 API like that. So get buckets policies. I don't remember. Policy like that, and the name of the buckets, which is not this, but it's part of this. Like that, and like that. The profile, I forgot the profile. So it won't work. Access denied, probably. Yes, access denied. Let's add the profile. What is this? Oh my god. What is this? The profile. Dash profile. S3 game. Galaxy. And here we are. We have the policy and we have the secret. Yeah. That's very interesting, right? We have the secret here. So we can go to level... Ooh, yeah. We can go to level 8. So let's try level 8 and let's remove the secret from level 7 and replace it by secret. Level 8, 8, 8. Oh, access denied. That's interesting. What did I miss? Did I miss something? Maybe. I don't know. I got the secrets, but I missed something. 3 game level 3. Oh yes, the name of the file. Yes, this is it. Probably. Yeah. Great, we are at level 8. Using the range HTTP header in a GET request, you can transfer only the specified portion of the object. This feature is used to execute concurrent connection. Okay, this is gonna be interesting, but I think I will drop out right now and going to have lunch. And maybe I'll be back after, or maybe another day this week. Morning or afternoon, I will post it on my Twitter, so I will give you my links. Let me give you my links so you can follow me.